making another pumpkin, and this one is out of just Bundt pans. You can either get them at the Salvation Army, or if you have some laying around the house you're not using anymore, use those. Put them on the ground, and you're also going to need a stick, either for the end, or if you have any leftover stems from the pumpkin, you can use those. What you're going to do is just spray paint your outside orange. Leave it dry and then glue it together. Stick your stem in. If you want some greens, you can add some ribbon for green, or if you have any fake leaves, you can put fake leaves on it. Leave it dry for a few minutes and then re-spray it again. Now when it's dry, you put your 6000 glue on it. Or if you just got super glue, whatever kind of glue you got, but I have 6000. All right. Then you put your other mold on top. Put them together. And here's your pumpkin. Then after that dries, you can figure out which kind of stem you want to use. Put your stem in there. If you want something green, cut some green fabric to put on for a leaf, and you got your pumpkin. Voila, pumpkin.
Okay, thanks for watching this episode of Nick and Nancy's Crafts. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like, and we do craft videos every week. And if you're lucky, you might see 2 a week. So anyways, alright, we'll see you later. Bye.